Hello again. I'm making now in 2021 a new review of the CREALITY Cloud system. They just released a new plugin in Cura, so if you go in Marketplace, find the CREALITY Cloud integration, click install, and then restart the program in your PC, you should have the plugin up and running. So just whilst I'm restarting mine, back in 2020 when they launched the system, I did a review, and I think it's unanimous among the community that it's not very useful. The slicer is rubbish. The way you load the system and you load the models, they're very poor. Now I just wanted to give it another go a year later to see what had improved in the past year, and this is quite important because it pretty much allows you to send your Cura slices over the air using the Wi-Fi. So as you can see here, the only difference is here at the end. So if you're familiar with Cura, you do the whole process and you use the same slicing profiles, and then just change in the slicing the very back end. You put that into upload to Creality instead of saving that in the SD card. And that's exactly what it does. So it gets a little bit more convenient now. You'll see that in a minute. So after you've done that in Cura, all you need to do is to launch the app in your mobile phone. You can see it's pretty much rebranded. It's the whole new interface, and I'll be honest with you, I'm not 100% familiar in what happened in the past year. But if you have your device up and running and connected, you should see that online, the TFD card and the printer as well. And if you go here into my slices and my uploads, you should have the very same G code that you output from Cura in that area. So you just click print in there, select the device again, some messages, then you can press confirm. Now that's still not enough, I would say, but it helps because if you remember from my previous video, my biggest disappointment was about the slicer. So the slicing anything on a phone, it's not convenient. So that one helps because you can use full Cura and just send the G code over. And you can, as you can see here in the interface, it's not like the best still, but if it depends on what you want, it should be okay. So for example, if you have your printer over in another building like a garage or something like that, it is a little bit more convenient. You don't need to go over, get the SD card up and down, you know, where your PC is located and stuff like that. But still, the app isn't great to see. It's laggy. It doesn't respond to all the buttons you have there. So yeah, at the moment I'm just warming up the machine, but nothing seems to work very well. Yeah, I think I need to try somewhere else. Yeah, so the app is quite buggy, as you can see. It's not like the perfect interface. Hopefully it's just the interface. If the prints are good quality, I really don't mind too much, but it is annoying. Let me see if I can get out of the screen. Yeah, okay. So yeah, and if you go back to your device, you will see it's printing. You will say it's printing. And I've just noticed a bug here. This is showing a previous model in third layer whilst it's still warming up. So that's another bug, as you can see. Just came down to check on the printer, and we're just about to finish warming up, and the print should start in a second. There it is. So yeah, it seems a powerful. So it's a step in the right direction, I would say. Still not powerful enough like an Octoprint, but the fact that you can use your Cura slicing tools, hopefully they will put this plugin into other slicers. But I'm quite happy because I do use Cura, and I can now just send my G codes over and use it as I would with the SD card. So it stops the faff about removing SD cards and stuff like that. Just a mid-print review here. Still, you see, I'm 5 minutes into the print. It's showing 27 layers, which is not accurate, and the model display is not true as well. So yeah, it looks like this interface is quite buggy at the moment. No matter if I do and refresh, it's still showing an old model with a wrong layer height. So yeah, a bug in this version. And by the end of the print, I didn't get any message as well, and all I have is this buggy message again that I'm printing, but my print is already completed. If you go back to my prints, I guess, where is that? Yeah, if you're clicking my prints, you see the printing stories there, and it's finished, it's completed. It took 11 minutes, but if you click on your device, it still says it's still being used by someone else. And here's the final result. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. It was very quick and small print just to show the capabilities. I'm probably going to be doing something more complex just to test, but overall that is a good improvement. I think again, being able to use Cura helps in some manner. I'm still disappointed that, for example, you need to use their own camera, which is pretty expensive for what it is, and you cannot have other. But hopefully this is the first step, and they are opening up a little bit more, and they will expand the capabilities. So yeah, good work, Creality. I think it's still not worth the investment, but it is getting better year by year, apparently. Thank you for watching. See you next time.